You injured? You injured, mate? Oh. Go on, get back in for water. Good boy. Did what I was told. Whoa! You right, Bob? What's this? I haven't got any food, go away. You don't want to fall in then?
No. That crocodile there,
That is not a crocodile. Oh, I think we got food.
Oh, yeah.
Have we? Oh, so we haven't got any food, and we are.
I've got a bit of them old crumpets.
He wants one now. You are, yeah?
Don't know if they like crumpets. No.
No, some of them do.
Don't like it. It's not bread, is it? It's not cooked. They don't like it.
Well, it soaks up a bit of water, darling.
Oh, that's so much in it. They don't like it.
It's because it doesn't break up. He's either got to do something for it
Oh, is that what it is?
to break it smaller.
Yeah. See if we can swim it.
Some of them are eating it.
Yeah,
I
no,
think.
they don't like
Yeah,
it.
it's because normally they touch bread and it breaks up, doesn't it? And
Like
then
gluten free.
that's a different duck,
Yeah,
isn't it?
can I? One's over there, then black one.
Woof it.
The fish will eat it, won't they?
Ah! Excuse me?
They're nice, aren't they?
Did you have to do that? Little
Got
Gerald.
the little hair things at the back.
Did you have to do that, mate? Oh my gosh. Scared like that, me, mate.
Yeah, they're eating it. They're small.
Scared me.
Oh, look at this one. He's got red legs.
Yeah, there's one around somewhere.
Can I try this?
He's like, no. No, it's like I don't like it.
Look at that bird, Charles.
That's you. Hmm. It goes so fast to it, but if they don't eat it.
They're eating.
Hello.
Warburtons, you know. They're not just Aldi's own.
Hello, mate. I'm zooming on you.